Welcome to Home with Mama Nature. Today we're going to make CBD oil. We're going to start with a CBD rich flower, which in this case is the Trident brand, Marley Natural. This is very rich in CBD, but of course it also contains some THC because this is going to be a whole plant cannabis oil. I'm using 2 of these, so 1/4 of an ounce with 1 cup of oil. 1/2 cup extra virgin olive oil, 1/2 cup of coconut oil. What I have here is about 8 ounces of oil. We're going to wind up with 8 ounces of oil. And I started with a very CBD rich flour that I pulverized in my blender with some alcohol. Anything over 80 proof is going to be fine. And then I added 1/2 cup of coconut oil and 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Now we're going to strain it out and put it in our double boiler. Really quickly, the way this is done is every day for 2 weeks while you've got this sitting in your windowsill, what I do is I go and I take it from the windowsill, I give it a good shake, and then I hold it against my heart. I take a moment and I just infuse it with universal love. And when I feel that my intention has been passed into the mix, then I put it back in the windowsill and I do it again the next day, every day for 2 weeks. So basically where you see on my labels or on my website that it says a remedy has been infused with shamanic healing energy, that's what it means. Here you can see I have my double boiler set up and I've set it up like a water bath. So the boiling water is actually touching the bottom of my bowl. In the bowl, I have the strained oil. And what you see there on the bottom is the alcohol. Now we've got this at a low flame. We just want to gently boil the alcohol off. In the end, we want to be left with only oil. All right. The alcohol has all been boiled off. We've been left with this beautiful oil, which I've bottled. And you can see it's just a gorgeous golden color, and it smells heavenly. If you've been using CBD oil in the past and it's clear, that's because that oil came from an isolate. And what that is it's just a powdered form of CBD, and sometimes it's not even naturally derived. Sometimes it's just from, a pharmacy. What we have here is a holistic, whole plant cannabis oil that you can use for just about anything. There you have it. Flower Power Whole Plant CBD oil is now on the shelf with all the rest of my remedies. So if you feel like maybe it's a little too much work for you, you can always get it at blossomspring.com along with my other tinctures, oils, herbs, and remedies.